Right, hi everybody, here's a quick unboxing of the Dali Oberon 1C speakers. Enjoy! The box just came in moments ago, so I'm going to make the unboxing. Okay. You came to unboxing also? Right. Let's put this here. Okay. Cables here. These are for the power, I'm sure. And now this one here. Okay. This is how they are looking inside. And now I will take the first one out. Let's see which is the best way to take them out. Oh boy, okay. Here's one. And now I'll take the second one. Here are some accessories for mounting and some other stuff like this. So let's put that over there. Here is the second one. Empty box over here. And now the moment of revealing them. Brand new, beautiful, of course with some hair inside. Okay. All right. Remove transport protection. Let's do that, and I will show you without the grill. And how should I probably like this? Okay. All right. And here is the front of the speakers. So this was a quick unboxing of the Oberon 1C. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.